Still running ECC or SAP Business Suite? Not ready for S/4HANA? You're not alone, and you may be overpaying for support. SAP's standard maintenance fees run high, typically 22% of your license value annually. But if you're on a stable, mature system, there's a better option: third-party support. Vendors like Rimini Street or Spinnaker Support offer break-fix, tax, and regulatory updates, usually at 50% the cost of SAP's fees. That's an instant cost cut with no license changes required. We've seen companies save millions over a 3 to 5 year period while they plan their S/4HANA migration on their own timeline, not SAP's. But there are trade-offs. You'll lose access to new SAP patches and upgrades, and SAP may withhold certain incentives or conversions if you return later. Still, if your ECC system is stable and you're focused on keeping the lights on, third-party support buys you time and budget. Redress Compliance can help you assess if third-party maintenance is right for your SAP landscape and run the ROI model. If you're paying full price for limited support, let's change that.